A couple weekends ago, we went to the American Legion to pick up our NUC from the Bristol County Beekeepers Association. There are 10,000 bees in our trunk, but because it's a Jeep, show it, it's not a regular trunk. They're in here with us. Cool! Once we got home and waited for the rain to pass, it was time to fire up the smoker and get those bees installed.
Alright.
Finally, it was time for the moment we had been waiting for. It was time to see our bees for the very first time.
Hello. Hi. No need to be stressed. Oh gosh.
Noella quickly inspected each frame to make sure they looked healthy and to see if she could see the queen.
Gosh, the smoke is really something.
After inspecting them, she installed them into their new home inside our hive. And then she inspected them some more.
They look pretty healthy. I don't see the queen in this one, but I do see them tending to the babies. I'll try to look. See? And they stick in there like that.
Huh.
All this stuff is capped brood.
So that's like the babies?
Yeah. Let me just... Since it's warmer out, I can actually... Oh gosh, there's a beetle. I can just put the frame...
What is that, like, on top?
What do you mean?
Like, on top of the frame?
It's just... Usually they're like swarm cells, but with this, they're good. Because they've just been put in a new place, but...
Because technically they've swarmed now.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's crazy.
I can't tell if that's a queen. It's supposed to be marked, but there's a big... Could just be a drone.
Wait, smile, because maybe you can get a picture. Alright, cool.
They're so busy.
Busy bees.
Sorry, guys. It's so hard to maneuver with these gloves on.
That's actually wicked cool.
I don't see the queen. She's supposed to be marked. Show me your queen.
Maybe she's nearby because they're all coming at us. And she was nearby. The very next frame that Noella pulled out was the one that contained the queen. Where is she? I lost her.
Right
Did she go in the middle? Oh,
See it?
yeah. She's the one with the blue dot on her back in the middle.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's so cool. Yeah, that's why these ones are upset.
I understand.
After all of the frames were installed, Noella gave them a little bit of sugar water that she had made the day before as a food supplement. And yes, she will be using a funnel the next time she does this. After that, it was time to close up the hive and say see you later to our new bee friends. We won't be back out to check on them for another week or so, because that's what's best for them, is to be checked on or handled once a week. I don't know. Noelle is the one who knows a lot about bees. I'm just kind of along for the ride. But you know what? I think I'm going to enjoy this new bee journey that we're on together.